The ABB RT7B 2TLA010028 R1000 is a universal relay used to monitor both external and internal safety aspects of machinery. The RT7 safety relay has a very versatile input configuration, therefore many safety relays can be replaced with the RT7. ABB have equipped the RT7 with 4 dual safety outputs, of which 2 may be delayed for up to 3 seconds in order to achieve a safe and soft stop. Another option which the RT7 provides from ABB is manual or automatic resetting. A manual supervised reset is used for gates and other safety devices that can be bypassed, while an automatic reset is used for small safety hatches if deemed appropriate from a risk point of view. In addition, the RT7 has information outputs that follow the inputs and outputs of the relay. These outputs indicate if, for example, a gate is open or closed, if there is a delay, or if the relay requires to be reset. We received this product for a test to help diagnose the problem with a large piece of equipment. As shown in the video, we hooked it up and verified its proper operation. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.